Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can enable the verification process on your Discord server. So in order to do that, click on your server name at the top and then go to server settings. Now over here choose safety setup under the moderation section, and here we have verification level. Click on change and then you should see all options, so you can decide which verification level you want to have on your server, whether you want it completely disabled or low, which means that the Discord member must have a verified email. You can also set it so that the user on your server must be registered for at least 5 minutes, so the account has to be has to have longer period than 5 minutes. You can also set it for 10 minutes, so must also be a member of the server for longer than 10 minutes. Or you can set the highest verification level, where the Discord member which joins your server must have a verified phone. If you want to simply select the option that you want to use, and you can leave it like that. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.